Reuben James. In my song, you live again. And the phrases that I rhyme are just footsteps out of time. From the time when I knew you, Reuben James. Reuben James. All the folks around Madison County cost your name. Just a no-count sharecropping colored man who would steal anything he can. And everybody laid the blame on Reuben James. Reuben James, you still work for the fields of my mind. Pay that shit with your brow, callous hands upon the plow. I love you then, I love you now, Reuben James. You're agree. The goes on a Madison County died with child. Although your skin was black, you're the one didn't turn it back on the hungry white child with no name, Reuben James. Reuben James, with the mind and the soul and the Bible in your right hand. You said to turn the other cheek, well there's a better world waiting for the meal. In my mind these words remain from Reuben James. Reuben James, you still work for the fields of my mind. Pay that shit with her brow, callous hands upon the plow. I love you then, I love you now, Reuben James. Reuben James. One dark cloudy day they brought you from the fields until a lonely pine box came. Just a preacher and me in the rain, just to sing one last refrain for Reuben James. Reuben James, you still walk the favorite fields of my mind. I fed that shit with a brow, callous hands upon the plow. I love you then and I love you now, Reuben James. Reuben James, you still walk the favorite fields of my mind. That shit with a brow, colors hand upon the plow. I love you then.